Today's find is this beautiful local Oregon fresh trade-in 2007 Ford F350 Super Duty Crew Cab Long Bed Lariat 4-wheel drive with the FX4 off-road package, clean title, Carfax certified, turbo Powerstroke 6-liter that has been completely bulletproofed by the previous owner, and we have all the receipts and the documentation to show it. Less than 30,000 miles ago. Truck has 144,000 miles. You just spend about $9,000 bulletproofing it. There's no signs, no records of any accidents or damages ever. Completely serviced and garaged all of its life. There's no major dents, there's no major scratches whatsoever. As you can see, the chrome is in brand new condition. Grille, bumpers, rear bumper, wheels, running boards, etc. This is a super loaded Lariat model. Comes with all the goodies, including sunroof, 6-passenger seating, dual power heated seats, dual climate control, and much more. Has a camper package with camper tie-down hookups on the back, upgraded TORQLIFT super hitch, factory parking sensors, Linux spray-in bed liner with an excellent condition bed. Because it was raining outside, I pulled this. There's still some water in here, but as you can see, the bed is in excellent condition. There's no big dents or splits or creases or any of that stuff. Firestone rear load leveling airbags. And we just installed a brand new set of Cooper Discover all-terrain 10-ply tires all the way around. Less than 2,000 miles ago. I don't get to meet you. The valves for the rear airbags are installed, mounted right here. This is for this side, and the other side is on the same thing on the inner fender. Factory running boards, extendable towing mirrors, trailer brakes, parking sensors like I mentioned, and the trailer brakes are built-in trailer brakes. I love the 07, it's kind of the end of this era of trucks, but it came with a lot of the factory options. This interior, well, let's just show the interior. Super clean, non-smoker, no pets inside. Leather is in excellent condition. As you can see, there's no broken plastics, there's no deep scratches or main issues at all. Headliner is extremely clean. There's no sagging. Rear seats are the same condition. There's a little scuff right here. I don't know if you can see it now. You probably can see it. It's got, I call it the boot rack below the rear seats. That goes across as well, but I like that it has 60/40 rear seats. Got the armrest. Seats are in excellent condition. When they did the bulletproofing on this truck, they installed two brand, well, might as well, let me just grab the invoice. Inspect truck, drain coolant, tear down engine, remove intake and the turbo, disassemble and remove both cylinder heads, prep block, surface and prep all parts, install new cylinder heads and new gaskets and ARP head studs. These are the best. Reassemble engine with new gaskets, O-rings, change engine oil and filter, fill with fluids. Rear brakes have been done and the rear diff service, by the way. As you can see, two new JASPER cylinder heads, new ARP head studs, exhaust manifold gasket, intake manifold gasket. They did a 8 injector seal kit, oil rail plug and standpipe kit, oil cooler kit, EGR kit, valve cover gaskets, new coolant reservoir. They added the SCT4 tuner, oil filter, etc. Total for this was $8,500, and that was with the hookup discount, my understanding. Let's take a look at the driver's side. This truck is also 100% rust-free. There's no rust, there's no corrosion whatsoever. The undercarriage looks like it is brand spanking new. There's a front power seat going up, front going down. There's the rear going up, rear going down. The whole seat up, whole seat down, whole seat forward, whole seat backwards. Take a look at the jams. All the rubber seals, everything is intact. Let's take a look in the back. Same thing here, is a little scuff mark. One little hair scratch in the wood. This is a 19-year-old truck that I'm showing you every little fine flaw in it. What else do we got here? There is a scratch right here. I want to make sure I mention it. It goes on the flare. You can see it from right here. And there's one more little ding scuff somewhere right here. There's a rock chip right here that's been touched up. So nothing major, just trying to be as upfront as possible. As you can see, the bumper is in excellent condition. I wanted to come over here and show you the undercarriage of this truck. When I say it is rust-free, there's your camper tie downs. Exhaust is not loud or smoke blower or any of that stuff. As you can see, it's all intact. This is not done for crazy performance or young kid that had it, gentleman that traded in has been driving it. He was close to 70 years old. Kind of give you an idea. You see how clean the bolts and this undercarriage doesn't get much cleaner or nicer than this. So we went over this. Let's try the power seat on this side. Since we are here, there's the back going up, back going down, front going up, front going down, whole seat up, whole seat down. Let's go test this thing out, get it fired up. Truck comes with all the original books, manuals. Just had a new alignment done with the tires. There's your tuner and the box for it, the SCD tuner. Of course, you're gonna get the records for the bulletproofing as well. Let's see here. Like I mentioned, this is a loaded Lariat, even got adjustable pedals and dash 6-disc changer. Let's see. Miles read 144,628. Let's come over here to do our little inspection. All the windows have been cleaned. The window tracks, motors greased, etc. Let's do the door lock since we're at that door. And here's this one. Now if we go to the back window, and let's go to this window. As you can see in the reflection, I'm just using my standard phone. There's no lenses or adapters or any of that stuff right here. This is as raw and as real as it gets. And here's your door locks. Okay, let's check out the sunroof. No, I gotta hold it to close. I'm gonna push it again to tilt. We'll push it again to close. And there's open. Let's check out the mirrors. There's left, right, down, and up. Let's check out the passenger side. Left, right, up, and down. So there's all your mirrors. Door locks, seats we tried. There's the horn. Let's turn the lights on and the fog lights. Let's check out the pedals. There's the pedals going away. Pedals getting closer. Wipers. There's the delay. We go to the next speed and then the next speed. We also just had fresh service done. Brake fluid flush, coolant flush. We did. I wrote it in the listing, and you know what? Usually I write little notes with me when I do the video, and I forgot to grab them. I know we did a AC recharge as well. There's not a drip of oil under this truck whatsoever. There's your newer interstate batteries. As you can see, all the original fenders, stamping. They've never been torn apart or wrenched on at all. Used to have a CB antenna over here that's been removed. Car's been freshly serviced, as you can see the red. Now let's take a look at there's your headlights, markers, there's your fog lights, chrome mirrors with the running lights, there's your running boards. There's your tail lights are on. Let's close this. There's your parking sensors. There's your brand new tires. The coating. So we did all that. We did the stereo. There's your built-in trailer brakes. Extra power point. Let's turn that down. What else we got here? What else we got here? What am I forgetting? There's your heated seats. What am I forgetting? Let's go in here and show you the dash. Let's get it in 4-wheel drive. Oh, there it is in 4-wheel drive. Let's go to 4-low. I'm going to show you when I'm putting gear how good it blinks. I'm hoping that you can see the good that you can do there. Anyways, it is actuated. It works great. There we go. Back to 4 high. We go to 2-wheel. Now, there's 1-finger test. There's no play whatsoever. I drove this truck for about 300 miles all the way from Grants Pass to here, pick it up from the customer. Drove great. I had it up to 85 miles an hour. Pulls super strong. Very nice truck. It's a lot of truck for the money. Let's turn this off. Let's turn this off. We got multiple keys for it. There's your alarm pad. It works. There we go. So, what we have here is completely studded, bulletproof. Last year of the 6 liters. I mean, they solved, I really am a believer they've solved their issues after the first couple of years. By 05, everything was updated and solved, but to get it done is even better. This was not just studded with ARB head studs and new gaskets and an oil cooler kit and an EGR kit, etc. They even installed, his plan was to keep this truck forever. He installed 2 brand new Jasper heads. It's done by a very reputable shop. Just did a complete service on it. Installed brand new tires 1,000 miles ago. Fully serviced, all the fluids, etc. But health issues made the sale a necessity. I can qualify this crew cab long bed Lariat 4-wheel drive for new truck financing. Yes, I can. No, your bank, your credit union, your USAA or Navy Federal, whoever it is that you bank with, cannot finance, will not finance this truck for the term I can qualify you for, nor for the interest rate. I can go all the way up to 84 months, an interest rate as low as 7.3%. Now, obviously that is on approved credit. If you got good credit, I can do it. If you haven't paid your payments, you've got repossessions, etc., no need to waste your time or mine. It's not doable. No bank will finance you on $5,000. Obviously, it depends on the history. We're not gonna get into it. Second, I can finance it with zero down, possibly, on approved credit. That's also another huge thing. Also, I can help you ship this truck right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in Alaska, whether you live in Hawaii, on any of the islands, I can ship it right to you. Or if you're in New York or Pennsylvania or Rhode Island or North Dakota or South Carolina or North Carolina or Utah or New Mexico or Arizona or California or Washington, anywhere. I deal with shippers on the daily basis. I know how to, I've shipped thousands and thousands of trucks. I know how to vet them. I know how to make sure they're insured, bonded. I only work with A+ rated shippers, and as we all know, how much trouble the transport company is in right now. So I'm happy to help you, or I'm happy to just hand you the keys and you can fly in. We are 10 minutes from Portland International Airport and you can drive it home. I will not hesitate to hop in this thing and drive it to New York right now. I would just need to stop at the gas station and fill it up with some diesel. Truck is dialed, new batteries, fluids, etc. Got brand new tires, completely serviced. There's no oil leaks. This is as solid as it gets. This is a lot of truck for the money. It's been very well cared for. This has not been a farm truck. This has not been a commercial, bunch of drivers drove it. No, it's been a locally owned and well cared for. Please visit my website. Pricing is there. The full description is there. I wrote that description. Please read it. It answers all your questions. Don't ask on YouTube. And here I'm saying it, and a lot of you go back and ask, what's the price? Pricing is not on YouTube. Pricing is on my website. If you're watching the video, that means whether you have a smartphone, an iPad, or a computer. So click on the link. It's right below the video. It's in big highlights, and that will redirect you to my website, and you can get all the information that you need. So let's make it yours.